vlog. I'm on the way to Clark Speedway now so that we can go test the RX7. We're also testing our endurance car because we had some mods for it, and we're preparing for the endurance race happening in November. But for now, it's really just enjoying the RX7 so that we can make sure tomorrow for the Mazda day, nothing's gonna go wrong. I just arrived here in Clark Speedway and I'm preparing to bring down the endurance car and the RX7. We gotta work on the RX7. We're using this garage today. So many mods have been done to the endurance car, and we have test A. New headers in the endurance car. Sounds so good. This is what everyone's been waiting for. The crazy FD. Okay, the team of Classic Speed is here. Sadly, the team of Edgen is not here. There's a miscommunication on chat, so we don't have any support for that vehicle. It's just gonna be us and the team at Classic Speed to handle all this. Now, we're gonna be changing the clutch master because the pedal wouldn't go up, as you guys saw in the previous video. And then we're also gonna be changing plugs. I did bring some spark plugs, but they're a different brand, and hopefully these will fit. I brought my new AIM Solo. Edgen's team misread the message and Edgen did not send his voice. We also noticed that the Miata wheels are on the wrong side, so the driver's side is the concave side. As you notice, this is concave and the front's concave, which is wrong. Tyson's here. Hey. And we have a mechanic coming. The guys are having a problem bleeding the clutch master. Seems like we're not getting any stroke. Heavy ass steering. The brakes are heavy because we don't have the brake master, so that was the maiden voyage and we burned the bumper. We're gonna change these spark plugs because we're still misfiring up along the rev range, but we're running. Tyson came in from testing. Did it register?
17 too long.
Huh?
It's 17 too long.
Uh-oh. Because Tyson was saying he's only doing 217 and the car feels heavy, which was our prediction. We thought that the too wide of a tires will make the car behave sluggishly, and I think we just confirmed it. Changing spark plugs. Wow. All the 2T oil. We ended up removing the front plate. Hopefully you get some more cooling, but we need a bigger radiator. We've been discussing plans on how to change this. Get ultra low profile SPAL fans, which are stronger pullers, bigger size radiator to get more cooling, and we're installing heat shield now. That's so funny. The ultimate mod. Straight pipe extension for the titanium tip. Insulation. Hopefully we don't burn anything anymore, but look, we cinched the tail light already. Okay, we're gonna go drag racing. We're gonna go top down, baby. My god, you gotta be kidding me. That was a whole lot of fun. I mean, wow, the balance on this car is epic. The tires are just right, and I wish it had a handbrake. It was definitely a good choice for me to bring this car out today because wow, it is amazing. It handles so well. It's so balanced. Even with the mid-engine setup, the car sounds epic with the roof down and it looks amazing. That's it. We're gonna pack up. Okay guys, it's the end of the day. Tyson's leaving already. It's too early for us to have dinner, so I'm gonna go check into the hotel. And I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. This was such a fun car to slide. The RX7 was a fun car to hear, but it's still not tuned. Lots of things that needs to be fixed to it with it. But tomorrow is Mazda Day. We're gonna get 2 laps to parade the car and make everyone hear this 26B. But on that note, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I'll see you guys again soon.